Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming which Google account holds your photos and how much space it's using. Open Photos settings and check storage details, because knowing usage guides choices. Once done, change upload quality to Storage Saver if you don't need full resolution. This reduces file sizes and extends free or paid quota. Make sure mobile backup is set to Wi-Fi only to prevent extra data costs. These first steps immediately reduce new storage growth and set the app to save space going forward. Now you'll remove excess and compress what remains. Use search, screenshots, videos, duplicates to batch select items you rarely need. Deleting them reclaims space right away. For photos you must keep at original quality, export them to an external drive, then remove originals from cloud. For the rest, convert large images and videos to reduced sizes, Storage Saver or 1/2 resolution, because smaller files cost less and upload faster. If you prefer offline control, use Google Takeout or a trusted compression tool to finish by creating habits and safeguards that keep storage low. Turn on smart suggestions in Photos and review the cleanup prompts monthly to remove blurry or large items you don't need. This automates savings. Then change your camera's default capture to a lower resolution so new photos start small. Make sure backups sync correctly. If totals don't update, sign out and back in or check Google One storage details. If problems persist, use Google One Storage Manager to reclaim space and confirm which apps are using quota.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.